Samantala, target palakasin ng Land Bank ang daan-daang libong maliliit na negosyo sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng bagong lending program na tinatawag na Lifting MSMEs. Nagbabalik si Mari Ocampo.
Formal na inilunsad ng Land Bank ang kanilang Lifting MSMEs lending program ngayong araw. Target ng bangko na ito na ang magiging umbrella initiative na magpapasimple at mag-i-integrate ng lahat ng lending programs para sa MSME sa buong bansa.
MSMEs are not just participants in our economy. They are its foundation. You make up over 99% of businesses. This is why we are launching the Lifting MSME Lending Program. Land Bank's innovative financing thrust towards inclusive national growth. It integrates our lending initiatives into one client-focused platform, making financial options more accessible, responsive, and aligned.
Ayon sa Land Bank, isa sa pangunahing layunin ng programa ang mas mabilis at accessible na proseso ng pagpapautang mula startups hanggang medium-scale enterprises. 3 loan packages ang maaaring makuha mula 100,000 pesos hanggang 50 million pesos. Ang startup loan, step-up loan at level-up loan.
Your presence reminds us why programs like this matters. We need to give them a chance to thrive. We need to give the MSMEs a chance to grow. And we need to open the doors for the MSMEs. Sometimes yun na lang yung kailangan nila eh. That opportunity to push them to actually go the distance. We need to understand a lot of the tycoons, the big ones now, already, also started as MSMEs. Nabigyan lang po sila ng oportunidad.
Ayon sa Land Bank, nasa 99.6% ng kabuuang business establishment sa bansa ang MSMEs at nakapagbigay sila ng 65% ng trabaho sa workforce. Kasama rin sa bagong program ang pagsanib ng ilang specialized facilities gaya ng balikloob lending, market stallholder vendors electronic loan, e-Filipino lending program at small business loan.
So the business sector plays a crucial role, and that's why Land Bank plays that crucial role. And part of our program in the ASEAN is creating greater prosperity for all countries and leaving no one behind. And it's very important. And that is the mantra that all the council members always focus on. Yes, there are a lot of challenges, headwinds that our country faces. But we should never give up, because the moment we give up, then countless of MSMEs will suffer.
Sa tala ng Land Bank hanggang Oktubre ngayong taon, umabot na sa 44.4 billion pesos ang outstanding loans ng bangko para sa MSMEs na may humigit kumulang 5,000 benepisyaryo. Ngunit sa paglulunsad ng Lifting MSMEs, inaasahan ang mas malaking loan exposure at mas maraming MSME ang makakakuha ng pondo para sa working capital, equipment upgrade, digitalization o business expansion. Ako, si Mari Ocampo ng PRTV News, nagseserbisyo para sa Pilipino.